beautiful ladies. Hello princess, hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time or seeing my video on YouTube, please press the subscribe button and the notification button, so in case if I upload any of my video, you'll be the first person to be notified. God bless you as you're doing so. And in today's video what I'm going to be talking about today, I'm going to be talking how we women can increase our drive. You guys, you know what I'm talking about, because I don't want to be using all my mouth to be talking about, because the children also, they are watching us. And when you're doing this 3 home remedy, your male will never run away, and you will know. Oh my God. And this home remedy is also good for people that are looking for fruit of womb. If you are looking for fruit of womb, oh, this will be good for you. If you are really addicted to it, you can even have twins. And when you are 40, 42, 41, like those drive kind of going down, then I love my man. I don't want to lose him. So to be honest, and I get some information back home from parents, and you know, like they can't post that. And to be honest, I'll be using this home remedy. Oh, when you use it, just make sure you have girlfriend. If you're a man, if you want to be using it, make sure you have girlfriend, because he always turn me on. Oh my God, this thing really work, believe me. And then actually, well, I use it a lot, and I find out that time that I was pregnant, I gave it back to a baby girl. Esther now she is 3 years, and I wasn't even prepared. I was done with baby, because all my life I just want to have a girl, a boy and a girl, and God answered me. You know, children, their heritage from God. You can't say no, never say never. And it's happening. I know the reason why. Because when you use this home remedy, you really, if your things have already shut down, if it's going down, and by the time you'll be using this thing, your things will start coming up, and your husband won't be able to he won't be able, he will not even he won't even let you to have friends. You know some men, when they know that their girlfriend is very good, and even your posture, because when you are using that, when you are used to that, when you are using to this my 3 home remedy that I'm going to be showing you how you can prepare it, when you are using it day and night, my sister, oh my God, you'll be fire. This guy is on fire. You'll be on fire. Your hormone, and you just want this thing day and you know what I will advise you. If you have a permanent boyfriend, or if you have a permanent girlfriend, both of you, I will advise you guys to be taking it at the same time. Be taking it together. Mix it for your girlfriend, or mix it for your boyfriend, or mix it for your partner, or mix it for your husband. There's no big deal anymore in this world. When I'm taking it, I say, honey, you have to take it with me. And we all, sometimes, you know, men they are dodgy. I don't know about it, but me, I'm ever ready. When you use this thing time to time, I actually use it first thing in the morning. When you want to use home remedy, always start using it before eating your breakfast. Any home remedy, I will recommend you take them before any food. You understand, girl? When you take them before any food, you know, then you now put our food or your breakfast on top of it, and make sure you take them when you are going back to bed at night. I hope this, my love, it works like fire. I don't want to be talking about, you know, YouTube is children friendly. You know, kids, they are watching us. You know, you never know. I have teenager. I don't know. Maybe he is looking at his mother now at the minute. I don't know. So I don't want to be. You guys, you know, I will leave the preparation, and I will use how you are going to be taking them, how you are going to mix it. I will leave it below the comment. I will write to make life easy for you guys. I hope if you are not prepared to have a baby, you know what you have to do, or your GP, that this is what I want to be using. They will tell you if it's good, or just to make life easy for you, just Google it on the internet and just check what they contain and what is strong, and if just a tablespoon of it, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of it, just take it, continue, at least give yourself 4 to 7 working days, and I hope my sister you see the result. My brother, believe me, this thing now, wow, it work well. We need dates, we need coconuts, and we need red onions within fruit of womb. Just add with honey and use the concentration. Make sure you squeeze it, and all you need to make of it. Drink it day and night, and you can take it 3 times or 2 times a day. Before you take any of my thing, contact your doctor, check online before you use it. I hope this will work well for you. And if this thing work, if this home remedy work for you, please give me a good comment, thumbs up, and share my video. Share my video, my love. And so I would love to bring you guys along to show you how I will be prepared. And I'm going to be making a video how you can make your own organic coconut oil. We need 3 dates with a clean bowl. The onions, we need 1/4 of this big onions. I just only need 3/4 of it. I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to peel it. I love doing my organic coconut water or coconut oil by myself to blend it. So we use this to blend them together. All we need from the coconuts, we need the coconut water for the main. I've already break the coconut, so I need the water. I'm going to show you how I'm going to sieve the water. I've already have my sieve, so I'm going to cover it because coconut water contains a lot of particles, so we need to get rid of that by using the white cloth. You can do it if you have any other alternative how to sieve the water. I'm going to show you guys the water. It's a little, so we only need the water for the main. Hands is already clean. I don't like using gloves, but I prefer using my hand when it's already washed. That is all is left from the coconut water. So now it's fair. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to apply onion. I'm going to blend this water with a quarter of onions. We don't need the coconut himself for a man's wood. So, and I'm going to show you I'm going to blend the dates together with the coconut water. So as you can see, that will help keep your electrolyte balance. Balanced levels can improve the blood pumping capacity of your heart. Good blood circulation is crucial for men with ED, as importance is in its most basic form, a lack of blood flow to the penis. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to blend it and how we are going to consume it. We are going to use the quarter of onions. I'm going to blend it together with the coconut water. I'm going to be blending it together with the coconut onion. I will show you. And raw red honey of red onions to mix together with the coconut water. So I'm going to be dicing it. I will show you how I'm going to dice my onion. Then we mix it together. Red onions are low in calories, very low in sodium, and contain no fat or cholesterol. Furthermore, onions contain fiber and folic acids, A, B vitamins that help the body make a healthy new cell. So I'm going to be add the onions, the one I've already diced, into the coconut water. And I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be dice my data we have to remove the seed. We don't need the seed. We don't need this. You have to separate this. Meanwhile, I'm going to blend it. I don't need to dice it. I'm just cutting it in order for me to be able to remove the dyes, guys. So we're going to add the dates. We are going to add the dates with the onions and the coconut water, the one I've already prepared. So you iron, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and zinc, which is benefit for our health. Calorie. By even consuming this, it can reduce a blood pressure. Amount of dates into your daily diet can help you keep a check on cholesterol level and even assist in a weight loss. So now guys, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to serve it, and this is how it looks like. Up have a twins, and if a man is going to be taking it, I will advise men to take it 3 times a day, and make sure that your girlfriend and your wife is available, because your hormone will change and you will see a beautiful change in your life. I hope this home remedy help you guys. If this home remedy help you, please could you do me a favor? Please leave the comments below, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and keep share my YouTube video. Thank you. God bless you. I'm going to show you how I'm going to be taking it. Let me have a taste. Yummy. Tastes nice. Thank you. Bye.